Let us celebrate Jamaica and stop the violence. On Saturday, November 16th, we are thrilled to announce the launch of Miracle Fire Rub at the prestigious venue, which is Fraternal Order of Police. That's 1200 Minor Road, Boynton Beach, Florida. Contribution is only $20. It starts from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Live entertainment by the legendary Ed Robinson.
Knocking on a heaven's door.
For the first time performing live out of Jamaica, David Luther King. South Florida's Princess Kadisha.
As a young girl growing up in Linstead Town.
Also performing live, the year-to-year veteran Nakoma. They'll be all backed by the Tiwas Band. This event is hosted by yours truly, TC Flex from Flex TV, and your music entertainment will be powered by Max One International and DJ Monster. It's the Miracle Fire Up. Celebrate Jamaica and stop the violence. On Saturday, November 16th, there'll be a live broadcast on Super Jam Radio. This you don't want to miss.
Well, it's harmony, we make your life better.